Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel, the VR Academy. So today we will discussing the most important for NDA examination bits. Some of the students are requesting to us, so please kindly arrange some important bits. These important bits are coming from the previous examinations and what we are expecting now. So please subscribe, share and like our channel if you are like this one. So we will providing next week onwards the important bits SSC and RRB as soon as we will provide one more video for this is the group 1 and group 2 also. So today we will discussing about the important bits for the ND examination. The first bit, a fan produce feeling of comfort during hot weather because due to hot weather when our body and clothes become so wet, so when you are going to the fan, so all the precipitation or evaporates rapidly. So that is the answer. The second question, the sun is consistently radiating energy and yet the surface temperature is nearly, so the constant at 6000 degrees centigrade constantly of the solar temperature is due to fusion. So fusion. So what is meant by fusion? The reactions that takes place in two types. One is the fusion reaction, and another is the fission reaction. So the fusion reaction will takes place in the sun core. In the nuclear fusion, the nuclear fusion is a reaction in which two or more atomic nuclei are combined to form one or more different atomic particles and subatomic particles. So maybe the neutrons or protons. When the hydrogen to hydrogen atoms combine to form a helium nucleus and tremendous heat is evolved, we are uncontrolled. In the fusion reaction, we are preparing the hydrogen bomb. The next question. The latest discovered state of matter is, generally the state of matters are three types: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. But recently discovered the one more state, that is the Bose-Einstein condensate theory. This was conducted Bose and the Einstein conducted. This theory, the generally the light forms a moon. Sorry, this theory was conducted. The Bose-Einstein condensate of matter, in which separates atoms or subatomic particles cooled to near absolute zero, K minus 273.15 degrees or 497.6 Fahrenheit, close to the single quantum mechanical eternity. This is one that can be discovered by wave functions on near microscopic scale. So that is the fourth matter of the universe. The next question. The light forms the moon to earth surface reaches approximately 1.3 seconds. The average distance is about 2,40,000 miles. It reaches the ground at 1.3 seconds. The next question. The shape of our galaxy Milky Way is spiral. So, Milky Way is a hot collection of stars, dust, and gas. It is called spiral galaxy because if you could view it forms the top and bottom, it would look like a spinning pinholes. The sun is located at one of the spiral arms about 25,000 light years away from the center of the galaxy. The next question. Which of the following crop would be preferred by following in order to enrich the soil with nitrogen? That is the right answer is germ. Genetically modified crops, CM crops, are plants used in the agriculture, the DNA of which has been modified using genetic engineering methods. The next question. The biological reason in which significant reservoir of biovarieties that is under threat from human is called as biodiversity hotspot. The biodiversity at the spot is a biographical region with significant levels of biodiversity that is the threatened by habitation. Cray protein is obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis. Cray proteins are poisonous proteins called insecticidal proteins, which are secreted crystal proteins, which are secreted in crystal forms by the Bacillus thuringiensis during the process growth. In the process, the toxin is added to the gene called Cray proteins. The next question. Which one of the following is hereditary disease? Hemophilia. The next question. A balloon filled with gas would only go up in air if it is filled up with. The answer is a gas whose density lower than the air. The next question. Which waves that used to detect the abstract in their flying path? Ultrasonic waves. So the ultrasonic waves, the bats are using the ultrasonic waves. These are travel in dark night also. They are without obstruction of any substance. It can divert the way of traveling. The next question. The most abundant element in the earth crust. Generally, the most abundant element in the earth crust, the first place is oxygen, the second place is silicon, third aluminum, and fourth iron. The next question. Alloy of German silver. 25 to 50% of copper and 24 to 35% of zinc and 10 to 35% of nickel. Which one is not a genetic distorted, discarded? Right answer is Zirconia. The Zirconia is disease is obtained the abnormal dryness of conjunctive and cornea of the eye with inflammation and rigid formation typically associated with the vitamin A deficiency. Generally, The cornea is most important in our eye. When a person is donated the cornea, within 3 hours we must be transferred. One more thing, the cornea is secured and protected by the cortical layer. The cortical layer is to protect the cornea. Any substance or any dusted particles are does not damage to the cornea. Next question. A typical human ribs consists of how many ribs? The 12 pairs or 24. The rib cage surrounded the lungs and the heart, serving as an important means of bony protection for these vital organs. Next question. In human body, what is the number of clavicle vertebrae? The right answer is 7. Next one. The metal constituents of chlorophyll is magnesium. So this is the pigment in the leaves. The color becomes green in color in chlorophyll. So only the metal is present in the magnesium in the leaves. The living organism biotic catalyst is called enzyme. The enzymes are biological catalysts that increase the rate of reactions without attains its structure. The next question. Which one is the organism in mushroom is associated? That is the fungi. Mushrooms are fungi. They belongs in a kingdom of their own, separate from the plants and animals. Fungi differ from the plants and animals in the way they obtain their nutrients. The next question. Which is the largest monkey? The right answer is baboon. The largest world ground devouring monkey with a largest and long dog-like snout and large teeth. Which of the following source of electric energy in an artificial satellite? Solar cells or photovoltaic cells are made up of silicon. What is the SI unit of specific heat? Joules kg per centigrade. The next question. Gases are most probably have high compressibility more than solids. Compressibility more than solids. The next question. Which forms of the matter has the highest density? These are the solids. The last question. Growth and repair of the damaged cells involves both mitotic and metatic cells divisions. So generally, mitotic as a cell division is only in the process of nucleus division in eukaryotic cells that occurs when a parent cell divided into the produce two identical daughter cells. Mitosis is used for the growth and repair and produce dipole cells identical to each other and they are present parent cells. Mitosis is used for the sexual reproductions. So these are the most important bits for NDA examination. So These are the important bits for previous examinations also. We are segregated and gathering these bits. So please kindly read and listen these bits. I hope you like. If you like, please kindly share and subscribe and like our channel. Then we will meet soonly the important bits of SSA and RRB. Thank you very much.